It's Christmas in July! Let's talk Christmas crochet patterns. Today, mug cozies. I'm for big crochet. Welcome back to Christmas in July. Today we're going to look at Christmas mug cozies. It's a fun way to quickly make a present for someone, and Christmas is a perfect time to do that. Now, these are wintry ones, Christmassy ones, and more of a general I really like you ones. I like the way that the pattern is inside of the crochet work. I love that technique. It gives also a very nice and thick finish to your work. Here's a close-up of the more general ones. Now you can see how it looks on the mug. This is a very subtle one. It goes all around the mug and has this Christmas tree in the bubble stitch. I think this is a popcorn stitch. Very nice. And another, so you can see how you can attach these with using a button and a loop. Here it is flat, and another one on the mug close up. And here are some Christmas trees. You can make them in any color, obviously, and they look very festive. Another shot and a close-up, very nice. And a cute penguin with a little 3D effect with it for his nose. And again, a shot of how you can finish them off so you can easily remove them and to wash your mug. And another shot, and here it is flat. Oh, it even has the little wings. I was almost at arms, but of course wings. If you want 3D, here we are. A big reindeer head on your Christmas mug cozy. How fun is that? And here another shot of it. Gorgeous little button there. So sweet. Look at his face. And some Santa ones. And if you use a little bit of fluffy yarn for the beard, you get a nice 3D effect, and it adds even more texture to your work. Such fun. I have to say I like the green background a lot. Sort of screams Christmas, doesn't it? I like it. And the Santa one is a bit more subtle with the belt buckle and a fun border. And here it is flat. You can tell these things work up fairly quickly. You can experiment with all sorts of fun stitches and types of yarn and make a lot of them for your friends. This one is super simple and it works up quickly, and it's such a fun gift. You can add a nice cup or a gift card for Starbucks or whatever, and you have a fun gift for friends and co-workers. And I really like this one. Traditional looking, absolutely fun. This one is a bit more complicated. I'm not sure this is the best shot. Let's see if we have another one. Here it is in action. So you have a cozy that goes all around. It features a snowman that holds your spoon. So there's a hole in between there, and it also holds a tea thingy. It also holds some tea. So behind the gift there's a room. The gift is a little pocket you can put stuff in. And here this is the best shot. You can see the spoon and you can see where the tea goes. It's fun. It's fun. But this is a bit more elaborate. Oh, I really like the simplicity of this one. Fun. This is a nice touch, this little bow. Looks like a scarf. More shots of this. Here it is in all its glory. Oh, so cute. I have to say I really like the patterns where it's woven into the I already said that. This is so cute. I love the little nose and the X's for eyes and buttons, but the best thing is this little bell. That's such a great idea. Here another shot of it, and here it's flat, and another shot. And then there's a T one again. And this one is becoming in the ugly Christmas sweater territory. Now this isn't particularly Christmas, but you can put a star or a wreath or something to make this a little bit more Christmassy. But I like the idea of arms with mittens holding something. Here another one. And this is more Christmas. It's a Christmas sweater with a little tree on there. It's such fun. Well, I hope to see you again tomorrow for more Christmas in July, and I wish you happy